Welcome back, everybody. Automotive Inc. Today we're in the office and we're going to talk about a recall or a do not drive order that a manufacturer has issued. Before we get going, if you don't mind smashing the subscribe button, helps a small channel. It's free to do. Thumbs up and notification bells so you know post new content. At Automotive Inc. we do everything information we can. We do car reviews, everything automotive, how-to videos, and of course we get out automotive information and safety stuff as quick as we possibly hear about it. Now, let's get down to the nitty gritty. Ford is now topping history with more recalls in the first half of a year in automotive manufacturing history with recalls. And this one kind of concerning because I just had one of these. So Ford has issued a do not drive order on one of its most popular models. So in certain 2024 to 25 Super Duty models, they're telling drivers to not drive them. Because it's a critical brake pedal spring that needs to be confirmed if it's present or not. Now, part of this issue is without that spring that anchors the brake booster push rod, it can fall out, meaning you don't have any brakes, just like that. Now, this only encompasses 2,300 vehicles. They're F250, F350, 450, and 550, and nobody really knows exactly which ones do or don't have it. So what they're saying is don't drive it, park it, call for a tow, get an inspection, and if it needs the repair, get the repair. Because again, guys out there, if you don't have brakes, you're in danger. And if you don't have brakes, other people around you are in danger, especially if you're using one of these larger trucks towing some heavy loads. So keep that in mind. So contact your Ford dealer immediately and check and see if your vehicle is affected. And if you do, don't freak out. If you lose brakes, put it in neutral and turn on your hazards and try and get that speed compensated as quick as you can by gearing down or something. And just as always, guys, we want you to be safe out there. So guys, I'll catch you on the next one.